guys, and welcome back to the channel. So we've got Gav's S3 to the channel. Quite a few things done to this. It's an absolute beast. So we're going to be doing a video on it today, and we'll show you all about it and tell you all about it. So it's currently a stage 2 running 390 brake. We've got supporting mods. So we've got the Airtec Induction kit, Airtec Intercooler. We've got a full Scorpion exhaust with sports cat. And we're lowered on Eibach suspension, JWR wheels, 8Js at the front, 9Js at the back. Got a fantastic carbon steering wheel. It even tells you all RPM, speed, everything on the actual wheel. So we're going to have to get that for you in a bit. And basically, Gav's just let me take it for a drive, do a bit of a video on it. We'll get some cinematics, and we'll see how this one goes. So we'll see you soon. Just winding out a bit. So we're going to give it a little bit of a blip. We're just in normal driving mode. Jesus! From a Ford man. You're doing well, Gav. I know you'll be watching. I'm looking after her. Gav didn't want to come on camera, so I've took it out anyway. So we'll have to try and get like a reaction cam on it. Get Gav to take me out in it, and because obviously he knows how to drive it properly and everything like that. So I gotta get me some flappy paddles. Shots fired, everyone! I'm just speechless, guys, honestly. drive just literally drags you through. And to say this is only on springs, it's a nice comfortable drive, but also goes where you point it as well. Almost instant boost, 4-wheel drive kicks in, away you go, here we go. Gav was also telling me that he has uprated the brakes, so it's got EBC, I think the blue stuff. I'll have to confirm with him and put it in the description. That's if you can hear me over the shots that are being fired out of this absolute animal. All I'm thinking is there a way I can convert my Focus to 4-wheel drive DSG? Because then I'd be happy. I'm actually sat here at the traffic lights now, and I've got a facelift Focus ST behind me. Let's send it. To be fair, I don't know if he was playing or not, but the Focus was nowhere to be seen. Not that we're racing in Mexico. guys, thank you for watching. Massive shout out to Gav for letting me have a go in his car and getting it on the channel. If anybody else wants to come on the channel, just send me a message. Follow Gav on Instagram, it's that S3. See you soon guys, like, share, subscribe, peace.